my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. It's good to see you here. My name is Ego. I'm a law student, lifestyle blogger, and YouTuber. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. I'm actually just getting back from seeing Us, and I really loved the movie, and I'm not going to give anything away because obviously most of you guys probably haven't seen it because it just came out, but I totally recommend going to see it. I saw a lot of mixed reviews on Instagram, but I don't see why. Like, I totally loved the movie. Okay, enough about Us. So let's get into today's video. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about how to edit your pictures for Instagram. So a lot of people always ask me like, oh, how do you edit your pictures? How do you take them? Like, what apps do you use? All that. So I'm actually going to do a separate video on how to like actually take pictures and like a whole in-depth video on that. So stay tuned for that. But for today, we're just going to be talking about the editing portion for pictures. And I take all of my pictures on my iPhone. People also ask me that too, like what camera do I use? I use my iPhone camera and I use the app ViscoCam. So make sure you download that app if you're watching this video. And if you want to learn, stay tuned. Just a quick note. So I'm gonna be watching the video of me editing it on my computer. So if you see me looking down over here, it's because I'm literally watching it so I can talk you through step by step of what's going to occur. So for this video, I'm just going to show you how I was able to achieve my thumbnail, my last video. And if you haven't seen my last video, it should be linked in the cards. And if you want to see how I got from this before to this after, definitely stick around and watch. I actually screen recorded myself editing it on ViscoCam on my phone. So I'm just going to insert a clip of that right here, and I'm going to talk you through that while you can watch me edit it. Okay, so you're gonna wanna go ahead and open up ViscoCam, add your images in. My image is already added in. So you're gonna click that, then you're gonna edit it. And I go into the other tools. I like to play around with the exposure and the contrast just because the image is a little dark. So that tool is very useful when you wanna brighten up or lighten down a picture, or lighten down. You guys know what I mean. And then I thought I was ready for some filters, but I realized I can do a little bit more tweaking. So I went in, I played around with the clarity, and then next I went into the sharpening and I played around with that a little bit. And then next I went into the saturation, and then I added some more color back into my face because it was definitely missing after I played around with the exposure and the contrast. And then I went into temperature and added even more color into my face. And then I went into skin tone and kind of like reformed that and made it look very realistic in terms of my skin tone. And then I went into the grain, I added a tiny bit of grain. And then it's time for filters. So I tried C1, I wasn't really feeling it. So I went to C2, and I went back to C1, and then I toned it down a little bit, and it was perfect for me. So with Visco, there's a lot of cool filters you can play around with. And I guess I'm gonna insert some more clips of other pictures that I've edited, kind of show you the before and after, just so you can see how much Visco can really change an image. I'm not gonna walk through the whole editing, but I will just show you like a quick before and after. So first I'm just gonna show you the before and after of the image I just showed you step by step how I edited. Like, as you can see, like Visco really like comes through. And then here's just like a light that I edited. I kind of just took a picture while I was at dinner just for fun. And then here's another selfie that I edited. Visco really like added that pop, added that color back into my face, and made that melanin glow, baby. But so yeah, Visco's really like my first go-to when editing because it really takes your image to the next level and really is that like final finishing touch. It's like adding icing to a cake, basically. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Definitely stay tuned for the more in-depth video on how to take pictures. And comment down below like if these tips helped you, if you want to see more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at AsToldByEgo, and follow me on Twitter. I don't tweet that much, but you know, still follow your girl. It's the same @name at AsToldByEgo. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. And yeah, until next time, take care. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. And I can't wait to see you for the next video.